Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new here, welcome aboard. If you're returning, thank you so very much. So, unboxing on a budget, number 5. So this is from Temu, and I saw this on Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. And when I saw it, I'm like, oh, I hope it's still available. It was, and it is. So, with a certain holiday coming up, excuse me, haven't used my voice enough today apparently, or too much, I'm not sure. Anyway, with the holiday coming up, Halloween, I thought I've got to get this. I've gotta get it. So guess what? I caved and I got it. And it's the Boutte Gnomes. Isn't this adorable? It's a 30 by 40 round. Isn't this just adorable? I thought I gotta get it. I have got to get it. So, let me put the picture up. From Temu. Okay. Isn't this cute? Oh, it's so cute. Oh, anyway, let's do this sticky test and look at the drill field. Sure. I'm gonna pull this back. Okay, good sticky. Okay, let's look at the drill field. It's clear. I like that with the black. And except some of these lighter areas, very clear. The symbols and letters are clear. It has 18 colors. Isn't this cute? It's gonna work up so cute. So in fact, I'm gonna get do a kit up on this time lapse. So I'm gonna kit it up and then speed it up so you guys can see that. I thought it would be fun to do a kit up like that. I haven't done one yet, so I thought that would be fun. Okay, so this was $4.22. Like I said, it is still available. 18 colors. It came with a standard toolkit. And let's look at the drills. Okay, so this looks like kind of a, kind of a light pink. And this is 3 10s. Here, there are 3 bags of them, which doesn't surprise me. So there's 3 bags of the 310. And here is the purple, green, a darker purple, looks like a light yellow. This one is brown. So we got some brown. Looks like, are those 2 the same colors? Yes. So 2 bags of brown. And some, like a dark gray. Another shade of brown. Orange. A lighter purple, almost like a lilac-y. darker pink, a light medium pink, some more yellow, like a burnt orange, a cream color, or is there, yeah, a cream color, and then a darker cream color. So you got cream and darker cream. Okay, so so 22 colors. It's a round. I think I already said that. I'm not sure. And this should work up really fast. So I say that right now, but it's taken me a while to get diamond painting. So I'm just going to have to start blocking out some time because I have got to get moving on Christmas presents, and there's an event coming up in October called Break the Silence. The lovely Kokisha Warren. I wanted to get this one and my granddaughter's Christmas present finished. Definitely hers comes priority, but I at least want to do this one for my whipping chats. So, alright. So, Boo Gnome. Aren't these cute? So, Boo. And Gnome. Ha ha ha. So, from Temu. Okay. I will put the links down below and anything else that was talked about during this. Short, sweet, quick. Anyway, so if no one's told you today, I love you. You are special. You are unique. Believe it to your very core. I love you. Okay? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button on your way out. I'd really appreciate it, okay? And wherever you're at, I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day, evening, or afternoon. And remember, stay healthy, stay safe, keep the faith, and keep praying. And I'll see you later with another unboxing. I've got one from Amazon. Yes. Some more mirrors. Yes. Anyway, talk to you later. Bye.